What is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna do something totally different. This is like a last minute thing that my brother and I decided to do, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. But we bought something that we hopefully will be able to build up and make something cool about it. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this upcoming car. All right, Emmanuel, you ready to show them what we bought? All right, so guys, we bought this for $200, and here it is. It's a Volkswagen Jetta, 2003. 183,000 miles around there. So we picked this up from a friend of ours, 200 bucks because of some heating problems. But once we checked it out, I don't know, we were too sure we wanted to record about this because it is my brother's car. He bought it to be sort of a project car, but we went ahead and changed the thermostat, found out it wasn't that. We changed the oil. Apparently the mechanic shop that did it, not gonna say any names, didn't actually change the oil, they just changed the filter. Didn't change anything. The thermostat we found was broken. It wasn't even a Volkswagen thermostat. It was like a Motorcraft thermostat. So yeah. And also we found that we changed the oil. We found that they like JB welded this. They broke it, JB welded it, and as you can see, it leaks oil due to the thread was being stripped. It got stripped inside and it drains a little. So we just found out the problems. Oil pan needs to be replaced. And we suspect the overheating problem is gonna be the water pump. So today what we're gonna do, first and foremost, as you can see, the car's torn apart. And as you can see, we took off the fenders, headlights, bumper, grill. We're gonna pretty much check it out. It is getting new suspension, new rotors, new everything. But for 200 bucks, ooh, peek that side back there, and my sister. For 200 bucks, I think the car ran fine. It's just that it overheats at high speeds. And obviously, you know how we do here, 5-speed manual up in here. But yeah, I tested over the car. It was nice and smooth. I liked it, so we just pulled the trigger and bought it for $200. But today, we're gonna do the most important part that I believe we need to do first before we do anything else, and that's replacing the oil pan cover. And after that, we did order some parts coming in, so hopefully it's just the water pump. And we replaced that and the car should run fine. But today we're just gonna replace the oil pan. So stick around, guys, we're gonna get started with that. All right, so first things first, so drain this oil real quick, because obviously we are gonna need this. So when we did it, we did the oil change obviously because we just barely got it and the oil hasn't been changed in forever. But then we noticed it was leaking. So when we found out it was leaking, we were kind of upset because we had to spend more money on more oil, but it's cool. We're gonna replace to make sure to get this car running back again, and yeah, we should be chilling. Right here, there's 3 16 millimeters on the side. So after removing those 3 16mm bolts, we're gonna go ahead and remove these 5mm Allen key bolts, which are some on the side and some on the bottom, which I'll show you in the new oil pan what I'm talking about, which I can't show you because there's a lot of gunk, it's pretty dark. This should be a pretty simple removal and application, so we're gonna go ahead and start removing. All right, so we ran into a little kind of a problem because as you can see, we only got 3 out. Well, actually, we got 2 out, one's from this side, but we got the outer 2 because they're straight in. But these 2 are like at an angle, so we need a swivel. And I found out you don't need the 5mm Allen, you could just use the 10mm. It's good. So yeah, we're gonna go real quick, make a parts run to AutoZone, a good friend, and get a swivel set so we can try to get these last 2. That's all we need, and then it's straight all these, and it should come off.
Keep your original mind, presets will keep themselves. The beginner's mind is the mind of compassion.
Alright, as you can see, we got the old oil pan out. So in a bit, we're gonna have my brother right here explain to you what we found in this dirty oil pan. But yeah, it was pretty simple to take out. You just needed that swivel part to get into these last 2 that were a pain in the butt. We got them out, as you can see. So, yep, we found some interesting things in there. which we'll be explaining right now.
So we found some plastic inside, which is from an old dipstick. The old dipstick was broken. Metal, which is not from the pistons, I hope. And they even cracked it right here.
Oh, there it is. The crack I was talking to you guys about earlier. And if you see on the side, some good old JB weld right there, which I don't know why they put that, and they put gunk so no one can tell. But obviously, you know, we're those good old backyard mechanics. We found it. So yeah, that's what we found, plastic from the dipstick. Good thing we're changing this. So we're gonna go ahead and scrape out the old gasket from the car. Here we go. You see we made our little gasket, and so out with the old and with the new. So we're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy in. Alright, as you can see, we got this bad boy on. As you can see, tighten all the screws, everything seems good. But unfortunately, we're not putting the car back together today. Because tomorrow, another part comes in it that we've been suspecting. Like I said, is a cause of this overheating problem, which is the water pump. So we're gonna just leave the car on jack stands, taking apart. So tomorrow will be the day, hopefully we get the water pump and get it running, and hopefully just that. And then after that, we're gonna work on those cosmetic imperfections and hopefully make this car stick again. Right, so as you guys can see, we're all done for today. We successfully changed the oil pan. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll get the water pump so we can get started with the water pump, change it. Hopefully that fixes up the overheating issue, and if it does, we're solid. Get ready for this vehicle's transformation. Yo, my brother and I are excited to work on this together and can't wait to see what the outcome is. And we've always had a soft spot for Jettas, as our father had one, a 95. So MK4 parts coming soon. Don't worry guys, I haven't forgot about the SI. She back there. Just waiting for new parts for the car. I saw my old parts in the garage, but I'm gonna go a different route than what I did. So parts coming soon. Parts coming soon. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's install. It was really more of a to fix here the Jetta for the dripping oil. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Like I said, tomorrow the water pump should be here, and hopefully it fixes the overheating issue. And if it does, great. We're gonna be recording obviously. So this will be a new series of a Jetta rebuild, I guess you could say. If not, you know what? We're extras at swapping motors. If not, we just buy a new motor, swap it in like we did with the SI, and it should be a good day. All right, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully, in the next video, the Volkswagen is back on the road for the meantime until we get all the parts in cosmetically and, you know, start modding this. Maybe track car, I don't know, time attack, who knows. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace out. See you on the next one.